dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Less than 2 hours before the signing of the peace accord between contending political parties ahead of the September 21st governorship election, the All Progressive Congress has pulled out of the Edo State election peace accord. Moving on after this, we have the Edo State government said that the Inspector General of Police, RI0USLY, has no constitutional power to suspend the Edo Security Corps, as it is a creation of the Edo State House of Assembly to do so. But guys, before I go bring the full gist, I would like to welcome on especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying tuned. So guys, let's proceed. The All Progressive ruling party, less than 2 hours before the signing of the peace accord between the contending political parties ahead of the September 21st governorship election, the All Progressive Congress said they will not dispose to signing the peace accord. This position is barely 12 hours after Governor Godwin Obaseki, while receiving the chairman of the President Peace Committee, former head of state, General Abdulsalami Abubakar, said his People Democratic Party may not sign the peace accord because the party have lost faith in the police and the Independent National Electoral Commission. So addressing a press conference at the party secretariat, Emperor RI0USLY said the reasons for them declining to sign the peace accord, among others, was that for over 2 months, after Police Inspector Anuako, who was orderly to the candidate of the party, Senator Mondo Uhuru, was shot and killed along Airport Road, that nobody has been arrested and prosecuted, despite claim by the former Commissioner of Police, Fosho, who told Nigeria that the command had the names of those who murdered Inspector Anuako at the Benin airport. He said instead of them being arrested, that Governor Godwin Obaseki is allegedly keeping them in the government house. He said this failure of the police has been emboldened the state governor Godwin Obaseki and his People Democratic Party to attack members of their political party at rally ground and in their private businesses premises carelessly. He claimed that the governor Obaseki has made inflammatory statements that have undermined his position as the chief security officer of Edo State. That his chronicle the various attacks the APC campaign team have suffered in different communities, Akoko Edo, East and Central, East and West local government area, while mobilizing supporters for the election. In a wake of this every worrisome and dangerous trend, that Governor Godwin Obaseki kept mute and refused to condemn the attacks as the chief security officer of Edo State. Instead, one Audio Olaye and the chairman of the Nigerian Labour Congress in Edo State, while in the company of Obaseki, openly threatened the country that Nigeria will burn if INEC fails to declare the PDP candidate, Aswe Ihudalo, as the winner of the September 21st governorship election. RI0USLY mentioned several other chieftains of the PDP who he alleged have publicly boasted that they would do anything and go away with it, and that the party petition to the police about this incident with the names of suspects attached have not been treated. The summary of this episode is the unwillingness of Governor Godwin Obaseki, according to RI0USLY, to embrace peace and the refusal of the security agency to guarantee a peaceful environment for the conduct of September 21st, 2024 scheduled election. As part of its demand to sign the peace accord, RI0USLY said the police should take steps to declare those fingered in the killing of the police allegedly behind hidden in government house wanted. That if they really want them to sign the peace accord, say when they declare those people that shot Anuako because they have been hiding in government house. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts towards this issue, because the atmosphere seems not to be calm. It's getting worse every day. The bad bulls don't too much. So my people, make I know what to think about this matter. How wanna feel? Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to yours. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State government said that the Inspector General of Police, RI0USLY, has no constitutional power to suspend the Edo Security Corps, as it is a creation of Edo State House of Assembly. The Inspector General had At the Independent National Electoral Commission stakeholders meeting on Wednesday, September 11, announced that the outfit had been suspended ahead of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. But in a statement, Christian Osage, the special advisor to Edo State Governor on media, said the Edo State government insists that the Edo State Security Corps is a body set up by law passed by Edo State House of Assembly. This is tantamount to the IGP disbanding the Western Nigeria Security Network, popularly known as Operation Omoteko, ahead of the governorship election in Ondo State, bill for next month. Christian Osage said that in the interest of peace in Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki has directed all the officials of the Edo Security Corps should proceed on leave from Wednesday, September 11 till 23 after the election. Government know that it is unconstitutional for the IGP to make such a declaration since Section 11.1, Section 11.2 empowers the State House of Assembly to set up structures for public safety and security of Edo State. That makes so many people come to worry, say wetin dey happen, that things are becoming complicated, that how can a federal police suspend the state police or security outfits established by a state act? How? End there, they go dey ask, say how can the federal police and state police security outfits work together without conflict when they are under executive run by different political parties, especially during election period? That how will the Nigeria police effect the suspension of the state police security outfits without negative effect? How they want to do am? That when people say Nigeria federalism gets K-leg, they know why they talk up. Because the IGP want to suspend the security outfit in order to use the Nigeria police force to rig the election. Now the angle where PDP they see and so that President Bola Tinubu and Oshomole will give anything to take Edo by force, but they will not sit and watch them because these security officers have been there doing what they are assigned to do since their imagination. So the question now is, why be say the IGP want to suspend them now during this election? Why? Will they continue to suspend them after the election? My people that didn't end there, they went on to say that Governor Godwin Obaseki is not contesting. So Edo cannot be intimidated. That if they think Edo State will allow criminals who have set Nigeria on a reverse gear to come and steal their hard-earned patrimony, they say it no go happen. Now many people are against waiting Christian Osage talk. Now the question will be say they ask, they say why Governor Godwin Obaseki disband them? That no member of Edo State security outfit will parade themselves on that day. Otherwise, police go arrest all of them and Governor Godwin Obaseki will accompany them to jail. My people not be small bass bozo. So I guess I go like make una tell me how una see this matter. How una see am? I mean this governorship election. How una see the atmosphere? I beg I go like know what una think about this issue in our comment section. I go like hear from una. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned. Really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your way next. Bye for now.